Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand what are the keywords and what is the importance of keywords in Google Ads. Of course, we had already discussed multiple things about Google Ads in this entire series so far, and without the keyword, this all discussion is of no sense, because the root cause or the main ingredient in the Google Ads account or learning is keyword. Now you might be wondering, what is keyword? If I talk about the word, that is the term that is called keyword, it means the key word. These are the combination of two things. It means those important words or those important phrases which are important for your business and for your need. I am not talking about every term which is being searched on Google, but out of those terms or searches, we want only those specific words or phrases which are important for us. Let's example, if we go directly onto google.com and let's say I search for Goa tour packages. I search for Goa tour packages. Now, as soon as you search for Goa tour packages, after this AI result, whatever result you will see, that is here, it is the sponsored one. The first one is sponsored, the second one is sponsored, the third one is sponsored, and the fourth one is also sponsored. So the results, which are of course marked with this tag that is called sponsored, are here because of the Google Ads reason. Now, if I talk about this particular term, that is phrase Goa tour package, if I am a tour and travel service provider, then this is one of the keyword for me if I am providing the Goa tour package service. But let's say I am the tour provider which only provides international trips. Let's say from India, if you want to go to international trips, then only I am interested in your query, otherwise I am not. So even if I am from the same industry, that is tours and travel, but because I don't offer this service, now this phrase is not keyword for me. But if I am providing, it means this is one of the keyword for me. It means the definition of keyword is very simple. Those phrases, those words which can actually bring the business opportunity for my brand, those are called as keywords. Apart from keyword, everything else is just a generic terms for me, which may or may not be related for my business. And why I'm saying that business opportunity only, there are keywords which are for blog as well, but here because I am spending money for each and every click, so I am more bothered about those keywords which can probably lead to potential customer or lead to a revenue generation opportunity for my brand. Then only I will consider it as my brand keyword, or you can say the keyword for my brand. Yes, there are some possible cases where you don't want actual business, you just want brand presence. Then also you run Google Ads. For example, in our case, let's say if you take example of Amazon, we search for Amazon, right? But if you see, Amazon still runs ad on their own brand name. Amazon still runs ad on their own brand name, and they are paying for the same link, amazon.in, amazon.in. There is no difference. It will take you the same website. It will take you to the same website. It is not something that they are running anything, apart from a specific keyword or anything. They are just running the ads on their own brand name, but it is compulsory. Why? Because it is being observed that if you don't run, and if you are one of the biggest brand in the world or country, and if you don't run ads on your own brand name, there are chances that somebody else will do it. For example, similarly, let's say Flipkart, although their name has been trademarked, that's why they can maybe sue them, the other competitors who are using their. But if I search for Zoho, now you can see the Zoho is there. But if I scroll down, and of course bottom of the page, you may also find result. Zoho is not coming. So let's say if I search for one of the term, let is called Neodub, you can see that all the brand names are running their advertisement on the brand keyword, and the same keyword they are being used, because the other competitors are trying to leverage the name that you have earned, or your brand name. That's why they are running the Google Ads on your keyword. So in both the cases, either it is a direct business opportunity via that keyword, or it is a branding purpose. But if it is of my interest, then only I'll be knowing it as a keyword. If it is not of my interest, then I will not call it as a keyword for my brand. Let's say in the same case, Goa tour package, if I want to search for, let's say, how to make Maggie, if somebody search for how to make Maggie, Of course, this is a search. This is very high volume search, but it is not at all relevant for my business, not directly, not indirectly. So I'll not waste my money to run ads on this particular word. So that is not keyword for me. Keyword for me is Goa tour packages, top 10 places to visit in Goa, or maybe my brand name. So this is called keyword. And unless you search something, one thing did you notice? If I'm on google.com, till the time I don't search something, I will not be able to see the results in terms of Google ads or in terms of everything. But as soon as I search results, let's say Goa tour packages, again the same thing, Goa tour packages, then I'll be able to see the results. It means keywords are the ones that drive searches. Of course, the phrases are something that drives the results, and out of those results, the phrases which I am interested in are called as keywords. So I think keyword definition is being cleared. If you Google what is keyword on Google in Google Ads, what is keywords in Google Ads, though Google will give you the definition, but if you see the meaning of that definition, it is the same. So a keyword is a phrase or word that you choose to help your ad appear when people search for term related to your product and services. Again, related to your product and services, not every search term, not every phrase that is being searched on Google. So that is called keyword. Now, what is the importance of keyword? Importance of keyword in Google ad is very critical. You can say the part of search ad, because if you choose the right keyword, then your chances of getting conversions from the customer is high. Because if you, let's say I have two keywords, Goa tour packages, this is one of the keyword, and if I choose best places to visit in Goa, these are the two things, right? Although you can say that the meaning of this keyword, best places to visit in Goa, is showing the same thing, that is the person is interested to visit Goa, and that's why he or she is searching for that. And if somebody is searching for Goa tour packages, it means they are also have the same interest, that is Goa tour package, they want to visit Goa. But if you see the actual or high intent, that is this keyword. Goa tour package is, if someone is searching this, it means he or she is trying to search for a agency or a service provider who can offer them a Goa tour package. It means they are looking for service, they are looking for products. They are interested to visit in Goa, but they don't want to visit Goa by their own. They want a tour package. That's why their intent behind this keyword is high. Whereas if you talk about the second keyword, they have their intent to visit Goa, but here I cannot say whether they are looking for any tour package or service provider, or they want to they are just scrolling around, or they want to visit Goa, or they want to visit Goa by their own. It means the intent to purchase or to avail my products and services behind this keyword is less as compared to this keyword that is called Goa tour package. So both the phrases are keyword for me, but the importance of choosing the right keyword is directly proportionate to your success and ROI of your Google Ads campaign. The another example is, let's say Goa tour packages under 30,000, and let's say you don't provide any package for Goa under 50,000. Every package of yours is above 50,000. Then will this query make sense? I don't think so. Why? Because they are specifically looking for 30,000. Yes, there are chances that if they come to you, if their lead come to you, you are able to convince them to get a higher package, so that their facilities, their amenities is way better than the 30,000 package. That is of course a probability, but the chances of getting this customer converted into your 50,000 package is, I would say, less. Why? Because they are already made their mind that we want a package under 30,000 only, and if you are providing 50,000 package, it means the intent or the chances of conversion into your product and services are less as compared to any other query. Yes, if they are looking for example, under 1 lakh, then probably these are the right customer for you, because they are looking for the 1 lakh package of the worth. It means they are able to spend this much of amount to visit Goa and for a tour package. Let's say somebody searching for Goa tour package for couple. Goa tour package for couples, right? So this is again, here the intent changes, and they are looking specifically for those packages which are for couples. It means they are looking for such services, premium services, and of course if somebody is in couple, they prefer more luxury, more comfort as compared to budget and tightly budget packages, and that's why you can target them better if you are providing little premium services against of little premium experiences. So this is the importance of choosing the right keyword. But what if you don't choose the right keyword? Of course you can say ki sir, I, let's say mistakenly or by choice or by carelessness, I chose the wrong keyword or less important keywords. What would happen? What are the consequences? The biggest consequences is your budget will be drained out very fast, because now your ad is being triggered on multiple relevant or irrelevant keywords which you have not targeted properly. So it means whatever your budget, daily budget 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, your budget will be drained out very quickly, and you will not be able to get more conversion. Of course you will get more clicks, but those clicks will not be relevant. So that is number one. Number two, that you will not be able to target the right customer. Since you are getting clicks on customers from every source, your Google Ads algorithm will not be able to optimize your Google ad campaign for the right target audience who are actually interested and who will actually convert into your potential customers. So data is mismatched and data is not accurate. The third thing, that you will not be able to judge whether this is the problem of your targeting or your Google Ads account or maybe your skill set, because not getting the desired result is not always about the fund, not always about the strategy, not always about the targeting. It is a mix of everything. So you'll not be able to diagnose what is going wrong and why you are not able to get result. And the last and the biggest consequence is that you will be stop running Google Ads soon without knowing whether it was Google Ads fault or your fault.
And if you, of course, stop paying to Google, they will stop your advertisement and you will not be able to showcase your advertisement to your potential customer. That is directly meaning that you are shutting down your business, one source of marketing that can probably give you better results if you would have chosen the right keyword and the right target audience for your Google Ads campaigns. So guys, this was a video where we understood what is keyword, what is the importance of keyword, and what are the importance and consequences of choosing the right keyword efficiently for your Google Ads campaign. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.